DJT stock analysis Monday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end, find out. Trump Media stock, the Trump Media and Technology stock's been sitting at $30.77, 1% up for the day. Where the heck are we heading next? I'll come here to the weekly chart and just told you one thing. This thing will like definitely run up, you know, and then they started kind of retracing down. I'm actually very open to taking this thing higher, and this is exactly how my bias is going to look like. Remember, I've done 32,000 videos and I've seen thousands of correct predictions. So I do have a lot of context of what has worked and what has not worked for me. Of a guy actually doing this and testing it. With DJT, I'm only really going to get involved here once again if I see the second break above 333.66. I mean, only then am I actually going to be a part of this. But what happens if this thing goes lower? Then obviously I'm going to get rid of it. You know, the bias is going to get removed. And for future things, obviously I'm going to keep you updated, because right now it makes really no sense. It's unrealistic, you know, to just set all these expectations. I'm just reacting, and instead of assuming I'm going to react, you know. So that's how DJT looks like. If you want to learn the strategy for free, click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.